Hello students, let's do some questions on triangles. This time you will get questions in the form of MCQ. Let's do some of them. In triangle ABC, we have a triangle ABC. DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Both these are parallel. AD is given 2.5 centimeters. BD is 3 centimeters. AE is 3.75 centimeters. We have to find AC. We have to find the length of AC. बच्चे, as per BPT, basic proportionality theorem, if in this triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, if it is given, then AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC as per BPT. Now, let's take EC as X. AD upon DB, 2.5 centimeters upon 3 centimeters equals to 3.75 by X. What we have to find? First we will get X, then we will find out AC, cross multiply. 2.5x equals to 3.75 into 3. What will be the value of X? 2.5 is multiplied here. Take this on the right hand side. 2.5 will come in denominator. 2.5. Take the decimals out. 0.75. We will write 100 in the denominator. Take out this decimal. We will write 10 in the numerator. Zeros cancelled. Now 25 ones are 25. 25 fives are 125. We have 15 threes are 45 by 10. That is 4.5 centimeters. 4.5 centimeters is the value of X, which is EC. What we have to find? We have to find the value of AC. What is AC? AE plus EC. That is 3.75 plus 4.5. 8.25 centimeters is our answer. So, option A is our correct option. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. We have triangle ABC where DE is parallel to BC. We have given AD, AE, BD and CE. We have to find the value of X. But if in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, so as per BPT, AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC as per BPT. Now, what is AD? 4x minus 3 upon BD is 3x minus 1 equals to AE is 8x minus 7 by CE is 5x minus 3. What we have to do? We have to find the value of X. Let's cross multiply it. We have 4x minus 3 into 5x minus 3 equals to 8x minus 7 and 3x minus 1. 4x into 5x, 20x square minus 12x minus 3 with 5x minus 15x plus 9 equals to 8x into 3x, 24x square. 8x into minus 1 minus 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 21x and minus 7 into minus 1, 1. We have 20x square like terms. Minus 12x minus 15x, we will get minus 27x plus 9 equals to 24x square minus 29x plus 7. Take these terms on the right hand side. Put 0 here. 24x square minus 20x square minus 29x plus 27x plus 7 minus 9. Take this 0 on the right hand side. 24 minus 20, we have 4x square minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Take 2 common. 2x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, if we take this 2 on the right hand side, we will get 0 upon 2. So our equation is 2x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. What we have get? A quadratic equation. Let's solve this equation. By splitting the middle term, we will have 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Take these two terms. What is common? 2x. What is left? X. And here what is left? 0? No. We have left with 1. Plus 1 common. X minus 1 equals to 0. So we have two factors, x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Both equals to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 1. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. 2x equals to minus 1. And x is minus 1 by 2. So we have two values of x, 1 and minus 1 by 2. So which option will be correct? Option C? No. Check your sides. This side is 4x minus 3. This is 8x minus 7. Here we have 3x minus 1. Here we have 5x minus 3. If we take the value of x equals to minus 1 by 2, what will be the length of AD? 4 into minus 1 by 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, and length can't be negative. So we will reject this option. So our answer will be x equals to 1. So option A is our correct option. In triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A. We have triangle ABC, where AD is the bisector of angle A. AD is the bisector of angle A means angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. We have given AB 6.4 centimeters, AC as 8 centimeters, BD as 5.6 centimeters. We have to find the length of BC. बच्चे, in your NCERT book, exercise 6.6 optional exercise, you have question number 1, which is based on this concept. This concept is called angle bisector theorem. As per angle bisector theorem, if in triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of this angle A. If AD is the bisector of angle A, these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, then as per angle bisector theorem, we have AB upon AC equals to BD upon CD. You have to learn this concept. This is angle bisector theorem. So, in our question, AD is the bisector, angle BAD equals to angle CAD. This is given. So, as per angle bisector theorem, AB upon AC is equals to BD upon CD. So what is AB? 6.4 upon 8. Let we take CD as x equals to 5.6 by x. Cross multiply. 6.4 into x equals to 5.6 into 8. We have to find the value of x. X is 5.6 into 8 by 6.4. Take decimals out. 10 in the denominator, 10 in the numerator. Now 8 8s are 64. Zeros cancel. 8 7s are 56. So the value of x is 7 centimeter. So the value of BC is 7 centimeter, which is our option B. ABCD is a trapezium with AD parallel to BC. ABCD is a trapezium. What is trapezium? A quadrilateral where a pair of sides are equal. Here AB is parallel to CD. The diagonals intersect at O. Now, what is given? AO, OC, OB and OD. We have to find the value of x. Now, बच्चे, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, we are taking these two triangles. AB is parallel to CD and AC is transversal. So this angle A, this angle is equals to this angle. Why? Take it as angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 by alternate angles. Similarly, AB is parallel to DC and BD is transversal. This angle is equals to this angle. Let's take it as angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 3 equals to angle 4. These are also alternate angles. Now we can also take these angles also. These are also equal. Take it as 5 or 6. Angle 5 equals to angle 6. These are vertically opposite angle. So triangle AOB is similar to COD because angle A and C are equal. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Now बच्चे, we know if triangles are similar, their sides are proportionate. So we have AO upon CO equals to OB upon OD equals to AB upon CD. Now what is given? AO, OC, BO and OD. Let's take these two terms. What is AO? 3x minus 1 upon CO or OC 5x minus 3 equals to OB or BO 2x plus 1 upon and OD is 6x minus 5. Cross multiply. We will get 3x minus 1 into 6x minus 5 equals to 2x plus 1 into 5x minus 3. 3x into 6x, 18x square. 3x minus 5 minus 15x. Minus 1 into 6x minus 6x and minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 equals to 2x into 5x, 10x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 3. Take 10x square on the left hand side. 18x square minus 10x square, 8x square. Minus 15x minus 6x. We have minus 21x. Here we have minus 1x. Minus 21 plus 1 plus 20x, minus 20x square. Plus 5 and plus 3. We have 8 equals to 0. What is common? Take 4 common. We have 2x square. Minus 5, we have x, plus 2 equals to 0. Take 4 on the right hand side, 0 upon 4 is 0. Now we have term 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. Let's solve it by splitting the middle term. 2 into 2, 4. We have 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. 2x is common. We have x minus 2. Here we have minus 1 common, x minus 2 equals to 0. We have factors x minus 2 and 2x minus 1, x minus 2 and 2x minus 1 equals to 0. If x minus 2 equals to 0, x is equals to 2. And if 2x minus 1 equals to 0, 2x equals to 1 and x equals to 1 by 2. So we have two values of x, 2 and 1 by 2. So our option C must be correct option, but this is not the case. Let's check these sides. If we take x as 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 1, we will get positive side. Put x here. 6x into 1 by 2, 3 minus 5 minus 2. OD will be minus 2 and the length of any side can't be negative. So we can't take 1 by 2. So our option is x equals to 2. So option A is our correct option. The areas of two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, are 25 centimeters and 49 centimeters respectively. We have given QR. We have to find the value of BC. We have two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. it is given that both these triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If the two triangles are similar, as per area ratio theorem, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon PQ का whole square, corresponding sides, BC upon QR का whole square equals to AC upon PR का whole square. Now we are given with QR and we have to find the value of BC. Let's take this. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which is 25 centimeter square upon 49 centimeter square, equals to BC upon QR का whole square. Now 25 can be written as 5 whole square upon 49 can be written as 7 whole square, equals to BC upon QR का whole square. We can write 5 by 7 whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square. Take square root both sides. After taking square root, we will get 5 by 7 equals to BC upon QR. 5 by 7 equals to, we have to find BC upon QR is 9.8. What we have to find? BC. Cross multiply. Let's come this side. 5 into 9.8 equals to 7 into BC. So what will be the value of BC? 5 into 9.8 by 7. Take decimal out. We will write 10 in the denominator. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 5 twos are 7 and 2 sevens are. So the value of BC is 7 centimeters. So which is our correct option? Option C is our correct option. A man goes 15 meter due west and then 5 meter due north. How far is he from the starting point? Let man starts from here. He goes 15 meter due west. He goes in the west direction. How much? 15 meter. From here, he goes 8 meter due north. Where we have north? Here north, south, east, west. From here, he went to north. Let's the man is here now. How far is he from the starting point? We assume, let he was at point A. While going towards west, he was at B. After that, he went to point C in the north direction. We assume that he goes straight. So, angle B will be 90 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the distance between his starting point and the last point. What we have to find? We have to find AC. We assume that he goes straight. So, angle B is 90 degree. So, as per Pythagoras theorem, we have triangle ABC with angle B 90 degree. So, as per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square, which is AC square, equals to base whole square AB square plus perpendicular whole square, or we can write it as height. AC square we have to find. AB is 15 centimeter square. In the north direction he went 8 meter plus 8 whole square. AC square is 15 square 225 plus 8 square is 64. AC square is 225 plus 64. We have 289. And what is AC? Root 29, which is plus minus 17. But distance can't be negative. So AC is 17 meters. So he is 17 meter away from the starting point. So which option is correct? Option D is our correct option.